Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market and let's discuss the Nifty 50 chart. We'll find out important weekly levels. Along with that, I will share one stock in news and the fundamental of that stock and the important levels also, the target and everything about this stock I will share. So, to know the Nifty 50 levels and stocks name and news regarding that stock, stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for these kind of stock market updates. So let's start with the stock in news, then I will jump in Nifty 50 chart. So stock in news is CDSL. Yes, CDSL is in news because of it has declared the dividend and the X date already announced in this last week. I will share everything, every detail. So in board meeting held in May, they have recommended the final dividend of the financial year of 25-26 ka rupees 12.75 rupees 12.75 per share. They have announced the dividend to their final dividend to their shareholder. The eligible shareholder will receive this 12.75 for every equity share they hold on the record date. So holding this CDSL share on record date is very important to get the dividend, to get eligible uh, for the dividend. CDSL has fixed the record date Friday 17th of July 26. You should hold this stock before or on 17th July to get the dividend or to get eligible for the dividend. I will quickly share the fundamental also so that you can see on your screen the market cap is 27,500 crore and current price is around 1300. So still CDSL trading on the level of 1300 around, बट इसका जो 52 वीक हाई लो है वो है 1800. इट हैज टच्ड 1800 अर्लियर. सो stock p you can see it is 60.4 around, which is still little bit overvalued. According to the industry p it is 44.7, so still little bit overvalues definitely CDSL. But as a price to book value, if we'll see here also it is little bit overvalued. The stock is slightly overvalued, जरूर है, definitely overvalued. But you can see the ROC and ROE, and as this stock is from capital market, you can see the ROC is 32, which is looking very attractive, and ROE is even more than 24%. So दोनों इसका ROC and ROE both are very good. Dividend is also quite okay. I just discussed 12.75% is a very good dividend payout, and yield is around 1%, 9.95%. डेट कोई भी नहीं है, EPS 21.8 और operating profit margin is 50.8 around. Yes, nowadays capital market is little bit down, falling because of the most of the people are going out from the share market because of this uncertainty, US Iran war, or so many uncertainty. But still, capital market has good potential for the future, and CDSL is means a part of the capital market structure, providing the service to all market participant, exchange and clearing corporation depository participant. So overall, this is a very good stock fundamental. I will share the level also quickly. The stock is trading around 1300 and the important crucial resistance level is around 1350 to 1400. 1350 से 1400 के बीच में इसका अच्छा रेजिस्टेंस है. ब्रेकिंग 1400 it will give very good upside, or otherwise it may take resistance there and come down to the level of 1270, which is a very good support, and 12 1270 मीन्स 1270 से नीचे आता है तब भी एक 1200 का बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट सपोर्ट है. तो ओवरऑल it is trading at a good level, resistance is very near and support is also near, मतलब बीच में ही ये ट्रेड कर रहा है. तो we have to watch the both support also and resistance also. CDSL dividend 12.75 per share, record date is 17 July. Good support for the CDSL is 1200 to 1270. Resistance 1350 to 1400. Breaking 1400 will give more upside, even it may go towards the 1800 also. So this was all about this stock in news. You may pay your attention if you want the dividend, and the stock is also very good. If you are interested, you can keep this stock in your watch list. This was the important news and information and update about the stock. Now I'm quickly jumping to the Nifty 50 chart to analyze this chart, and you can see I have already drawn the important lines, trend line. And last week what all happened, the nifty 50 is trading within this range. I have drawn this lower range and upper range, and ये lower range is around 23,800 के आसपास ये ट्रेड कर रहा था and taken a good support three time, once, second, third, and then it touched the trend line resistance here, which is 24,100, around 24,100 से 200 के बीच में ये कई दिनों तक रेजिस्टेंस लिया हुआ है, 24,200 मैक्सिमम. But on Thursday, it has even broken this resistance of 24,200, went to 24,250 around, but could not sustain and closed below, just below this trend line. You can see, you can zoom it out and you can understand how it has closed below this trend line. So this trend line is giving very tough resistance to the Nifty 50, but I can't say if it's going again next Monday. It is going to break this level and then going beyond this and going to touch the 200 EMA next week only, or even इसके भी ऊपर जा सकता है. The resistance level will be 24,600, or it will take resistance and go below this level to the this level of 23,800 again. So 23,000 is still looking very important, very strong support for the Nifty 50. I'm not going beyond this level if till it is not breaking this 23,800. Need to watch the news also coming from the geopolitical situation and from the India and from global market. But definitely 23,800, I will stick with this support even for the next week also. ये एक, I can say, एक triangle, descending triangle, I can say descending triangle pattern is getting formed and even broken it, but could not close above this. तो ये दोनों रेजिस्टेंस, एक 200 EMA का एंड वन दिस ट्रेंड लाइन रेजिस्टेंस, एंड दिस होल पैटर्न ऑफ डिसेंडिंग descending triangle is very important to learn, even very important to keep in your mind. और इसके भी ऊपर एक important resistance है which is 24,600. I can say 24,500 से 24,600 will be a very strong resistance for the Nifty 50. I have analyzed the whole chart in detail, और ये सारे formation and the every minute thing I have cleared and shared. And I have already shared the stock in news CDSL because of the dividend. So please keep the dates in your mind and be aware with the record date. Nifty 50 important support 23,800 and important resistance is 24,200 and then 24,600. I'm not going beyond that, but please keep watch on the level of 24,500 to 24,600, which is looking very, very strong resistance, at least for coming weeks. So be aware with the CDSL update and record dates. And please watch the yesterday video also. I have shared the important sector which is looking very good, and it is looking good for the future, for at least for coming weeks. And I have shared the related stocks sectors, related stocks also with the sector. And I have shared the Nifty bank level also there. Like and share this video also with your friends so that they can be aware before record date, and subscribe the channel for this kind of information, stock market update. Signing off.